Hi there! Today, I'd like to discuss how to block email as attachment in Google Docs using xFanatical Safe Doc. Email as attachment option feature, while helpful for collaboration, can also be misused, leading to privacy breaches, information leaks, or even academic dishonesty. In a controlled environment like K-12 education or corporate workspaces, restricting the email as attachment option becomes essential for maintaining security and data integrity. This is where xFanatical Safe Doc steps in as a crucial tool. By blocking email attachments using Safe Doc, administrators can enhance security, safeguard sensitive information, and maintain integrity in communications across the Google Workspace. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for Safe Doc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the Block Email as Attachment policy and setting the value to True, you can block email as attachment in Google Docs easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.